So just create a folder on your desktop. Name this folder anything but something that makes sense, like my website, like that. So after naming your folder, then go back to the text editor that you are using. You can use any text editor of your choice. If you want, you can use Notepad, but in this tutorial I'm going to use Sublime Text Editor, which is this one. So when you're inside Sublime Text Editor, the first thing that you have to do is to go where it says File, go where it says Open Folder, and then you have to relocate your folder which is on the desktop, which is my website. After that, you select it like that. Once you're inside your folder, then click Ctrl S or go back where it says File, then go where it says Save. You name your file anything, but you have to name it something that makes sense. And don't forget the file extension, which is HTML. The file extension do not change. The file extension will always be HTML. So I'll name it like my website dot. After the dot sign, after the dot sign, we have what is known as the file extension, which is HTML. This does not change. You then press enter and enter again. This does not change. So this is my website. It will automatically be saved as my website.html since I was inside the HTML folder. So my website.html. So the first thing that you have to do is to click the ampersand. So this is the angle bracket. So we use angle brackets in HTML to start any element or any file. So HTML. When you click enter, if you're in Sublime, all the meta tags will be generated by Sublime. So here where it says title, you write your title. You can write anything. So to me, I'll write my website, like that. So if you want, you can go here and say and click save, or you can click Ctrl S on your keyboard. After that, you can right click and then go where it says open in browser, so that you see your title. So here's the title. Here is the title, my website. So when you go back into Sublime Text, you find that this is the HTML container, and then these are meta tags, and this is the title, the one that is appearing in our browser. So this is the body. So the body is where we write everything. Yeah, is where we write all the content. So here we will do H1, just stand for heading 1. So the smaller the letter, the bigger the number. So head 1 is greater than H2, and then H2 is greater than H3. So H1, when I click enter, it will finish up with me. So H1 is equals to H1 my website, like that. Or let me just say H1 hello world, like that. Ctrl S to save, or manual, you can just do this and save, then open in browser, like that. So once you have opened so this is how it will appear. Hello world. So this is our hello world first website. So this was for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video very satisfying, Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and to click that subscribe button. So see you in the next video, guys.